The hidden code in the Bible. Discovery or illusion? What if the Bible wasn't only meant to be read, but searched? That question sits at the center of what's commonly known as the Bible Code, popularized by author Michael Drosnin. The claim is simple on the surface, but heavy in implication. Hidden messages are embedded within the original Hebrew text, waiting to be uncovered. The method used is called Equidistant Letter Sequences. It works like this. Take the Hebrew text of the Torah, choose a starting letter, and then skip a fixed number of letters at equal intervals. Sometimes, words begin to form. Change the interval, and different words appear. When mapped into grids, these sequences can intersect, revealing clusters of names, dates, and events that seem connected. Drosnin argued these patterns were not random. He claimed they pointed to real-world events, some historical, some seemingly predictive. One of the most well-known examples linked a coded warning to the assassination of Israeli Prime Minister Yitzhak Rabin. It's easy to see why this idea captured attention. It suggests that reality itself may be structured more deeply than we perceive. That language, especially sacred language, might carry layers beyond the visible, and that perhaps meaning is not just written across the surface, but woven into the very structure of the text. But here's where things get complicated. The same techniques used to find these codes have also been applied to other texts, novels, random writings, even works like Moby Dick, and similar patterns have been found there too. Names appear, events can be located, connections can be drawn. Which leads to a harder question. Are we uncovering something hidden? Or are we creating meaning by the way we search? Those who support the Bible Code argue that the Hebrew text is too precise, too intentional to be coincidence. They believe the patterns reflect a deeper design, one that operates beyond linear reading. Skeptics counter that with enough data and enough flexibility, patterns will always emerge. The human mind is built to find connections, even where none were intentionally placed. According to this view, the code is not a discovery. It's a statistical inevitability. So where does that leave it? Somewhere in the middle. Ancient texts, especially the Bible, were never purely literal. They were written with layers, symbolic, poetic, numerical. Meaning was often encoded through structure, repetition, and pattern. That part is real. But the leap from layered meaning to hidden predictive codes about modern events, that's where interpretation can cross into projection. And that's the line worth paying attention to. Because the deeper issue isn't whether a code exists. It's how easily the search for hidden meaning can override discernment. Once you begin looking for patterns, you will find them. That's how the mind works. The real question becomes whether those patterns reveal truth or reflect the expectations you brought into the search. The idea of a hidden code is compelling. It taps into something ancient. The belief that reality has order, that language has depth, that truth is layered. But not everything hidden is meant to be decoded, and not every pattern is a message. Sometimes the real challenge isn't uncovering what's hidden in the text. It's remaining clear enough not to read into it what isn't there.